Let's study cell. What is a cell? It is a cell phone? No. Is it a cell used in watches, used in clocks, or in other appliances? No, it's not that cell. When we talk about cell, we just come to know about that cell is a structural, functional, and biological unit of body. When we start a building, so the basic structure of building is what? A brick. When we start the building to be manufactured, first part is brick. When you place a brick, you add on other bricks. Similarly, whole building is formed. In that context, in that way, our human body is made. It starts from a single cell. When the embryo is formed, this embryo is generated from one single cell. So the basic unit of life is cell. So to understand cell, we should first know that who discovered this cell. It was discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered it. After that, Leeuwenhoek worked on it, and they come to know that cell is the basic structure which provide the structure to our body. It have certain things inside it. A cell is basically comprised of many small organelles inside it. It have a cytoplasm inside it. The fluid in the cell is known as cytoplasm. This cytoplasm have many other things also like nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. All such things are placed there in a particular cell, and it's covered by a membrane. It's differentiated from other cell with a membrane, and that membrane is known as cell membrane. So now you can understand this way. You have to just compare it with the building. When we start a building, we use a brick. When we start a body, we use a cell. When two or more bricks are combined, they form a wall. A wall is formed, but in our body, when cells are combined, they form a tissue. Two, three, four, or many cells, when they combine, they form a tissue. Now, in building part, when four walls are combined, in a room you have four walls. So, when four walls are combined, it forms a room. So, basically, when more than two tissues combined, it forms a organ. In building, when many rooms are combined, a particular flat is formed. When we talk about a multi-story building, a particular flat is formed. Here in this context, when many tissues combined, they form the organ. Now, when many organs combine, they form the organ system. Now, when these flats are combined, one flat, two flat, three flat, whole flats are combined, they form a multi-storied building. Similarly, in our body, many organ systems combine to form our body, like our nervous system, like our respiratory system and neurological system, our circulatory system, all system, our excretory system, endocrine system, all systems combine together to form the human body. So this way you can remember how the cells combine together to form the tissues, tissues combine to form the organs, organs combine to form the organ system, many organ system combine to form the body. And if we talk about that particular cell, that what this cell actually have. So the cell membrane is basically working as its outer layer, its outer covering, which is not allowing and everything to come inside or go outside. It's similarly working like a wall of your house, the outline border of your house, which is not allowing anything, everything to come inside or go outside from your house. Now, when we talk about the cytoplasm have this fluid have this nucleus. What does nucleus do? Nucleus simply have genetic material inside it. This genetic material works in genetic coding for the next generation. Like when we talk about that this child is replicating to her mother, to his father, so it simply means that some genetic material is there. So the habits, likes, dislikes, resemblance, all these things are carried in the coded form in the nucleus of the cell. What does mitochondria do? This mitochondria works as the kitchen of the cell. It produces energy there. Some lysosomes are placed there. These lysosomes engulf the outside material which is not at all required in that cell. So what they do, they simply engulf it. If we talk about endoplasmic reticulum work as synthetic pattern. They work on synthetic pattern. They synthesize certain lipids, certain things in the body. It's a very short intro about cells just to let you know that what cell actually resembles like, how can you compare it with certain things so that you can understand it in a particular way. So these are the characteristics of cells. This way you can learn it very easily. Thank you.